Hello guys, my name is Abdul Hamid from WPFactory, and today we're going to explore one of our amazing plugins, which is the order minimum maximum limit for WooCommerce. In this video tutorial, we're going to go through and explore the free version of this plugin and also the pro features that we have for this plugin. And also you're going to see some advanced features that it will be really hard to find it in other competitors, which will help you to have a more advanced customizations for the users, for products and categories that you have inside your WooCommerce website. So let's discover it inside and see how it works. As you can see on this page, we have the order minimum maximum limits for WooCommerce. Let's explore some features, which is we have here dynamic order limits customization. Additionally, we have the fine-tuned calculation for order limits checks. Additionally, also we have the optimized restrictions for payment like shipping and memberships, conditional exceptions to min-max checks, and dynamic user communication in shopping and checkout. In addition to other incredible features like warn and apply fees on limits, define min-max value and amount per user or the user role, unlimited customized messages, customized currency and coupons behavior, and also the compatibility with most popular plugins. In addition to all of those things, we're going to also show you other advanced features we have in the plugin. So let's go inside. We can go to WooCommerce, then we go to settings. As you can see here, we can find it, the order min max amount on this tab. We click on it. Now I'm installing the free version, so I'm going to explore with you the free version of this plugin. As you can see here, we have a lot of options inside this plugin. We're going to explore not all of them because you will find it more advanced features and more advanced specifications that you might don't need, but we want to just to make sure that you have the full control of what you're looking for. Now let's go to the general tab. As you can see here, we should have this plugin enabled, and as you can see, you can control whether for the amount of limits, whether for minimum, maximum, both, or one of them. Additionally, which is the one of the unique features that we have, which is the amount types. As you can see here, you can control the sum and the quantity, and for example, you can have other things like weight, volume, length, width, height. As you can see here, we have different types for the amount. It's not only about the quantity. So let's keep it for the quantity, and we can go with the minimum and maximum. So whatever you're going to choose here, it will be reflected on the amount section where we go on this. But first, let's make sure that we have the save changes, just to show you quickly. And if you go to amounts, as you can see here, we have the minimum sum, the minimum quantity, the maximum sum, and the maximum quantity. Now going back, I can, for example, remove the sum and keep only the quantity, or the opposite. Let's say I just want to have the sum, and then I click on save changes. Let me bring this here. So going back to the amounts, as you can see here, we have the minimum sum and the maximum sum. Now going back to the general, let's go with more specifications for what we chosen, like for here for the sum. And as you can see here, you can control the different type of things, like for example, to have a notice, like a notification, please log in to access the minimum maximum requirements for your order. You can choose the notice type itself, whether it's an error or just a notification. And also you can go with more advanced customization for people if you want them to enable to proceed to the checkout button, or you want to disable that checkout button. Or for example, you can decide the order sum should be only on the order total or the order subtotal or other things. Additionally, as you can see here, we can have the exclude shipping, discounts and fees. Additionally, as you can see scrolling down, you will find some of those disable check, which means that this needs you to go with the upgrade version, just to let you know where you need the advanced features, but all of those are on the free version you can find. And also anything you want to do or modification or update, you need to make sure that you save the changes. Now going to the amounts just quickly to show you how it works. Like for example, we can have the minimum, let's say 100, or let's say for example the minimum can be, let's just put it 20, and we can here the maximum can be 100, and then we click on save. So let's check out how it works. Let's go to one of our products and see how it works. So let's explore one of our products. Okay, so we have a product with $10 price. We click on view. Just before we go to that, let's go back to settings. I just want to check a quick thing just to make sure it's there. I want to scroll down, so I'm going to have the check for prevent users from placing the order with wrong amounts, and prevent users from reaching to the checkout page on wrong min-max amount. Means that if the user did not put the correct number, so here we have, as you remember, the amount fees is $20 and we have the maximum of $100. So let's go to the product. So it's 10, we are going to add it, and then we go to the cart. Okay, so we have 2 now, so it's $20. No, let's have it as $1. Wow, as you can see, it's showing me here the message where it says you must have an order with a minimum of $20 to place your order. So your current order is total is $10. So if I want to proceed to checkout, so as you can see, it's keeping me in the checkout. Now let's just go back. I remember there were an option for disabling the checkout, leave it enabled. So here, yeah. So let's have it as disable checkout button, and click on save changes. I will move this here, and let's refresh. As you can see here, it's disabled. Now if I want to increase the quantity, I click on update. As you can see now, it's enabled. So if I click on proceed to checkout, it goes and continue to the checkout. The same thing for the, let's say, quantity if I want to increase. Now if I want to have it, I remember it was $100, so yeah, let's have it as $11. As you can see, it's disabled. Sometimes there is some Ajax problem, so but if you want to refresh, as you can see, you can get the message, and now this one is disabled. Now scrolling down, clicking on update cart, as you can see here, it's enabled and you can proceed. Cool. Okay, so going back to the customization, here we have, let's go with the amounts. As we explained, we have the minimum and maximum, and you can always anytime reset the whole section settings. And one of the most important features that we have, which is the fees, means that you can ignore the fees from this section on the cart total calculation for the sum type, which is very important feature that we have. And as you can see here, if you want also to enable this section, which is if enabled, there will be a new placeholder available on the messages sections for the fee amount. Additionally, we can have the messages or the notification system that you can have for this, where you can have it on the cart, you can have it also on the mini cart if you have one, and you can have it also on the checkout and product page. And also, as you can see here, you can have more advanced options that you can play around with this plugin. Now, in addition to that, as you can see here, we can have also the user roles. So based on the user role, you can work around. For example, it's only for administrators or editors or authors. Maybe you're going to have people within the wholesale, so you can give them more freedom to add product comparing to the normal user that you have. Also on the user level itself, so you can also do that. But as you can see, you need the pro version to enable this section. Also on the product level, as we discussed, as you can see here, you can have it more on the product category. It's not only in the product level, also on specific category you want to have this limitation for. As you can see, also we can have more, let's say, customized features for the shipping, for the payment gateways. So for example, you want to have this order limit only on specific payment gateway, not all payment gateways. You can have this option here. Also for memberships, for currencies, coupons, and cart products, and also the cart total. Additionally, as you can see here, we have the compatibility. Some of those features, or most of them, they are more on the pro version. So as you can see here, the level of customization and control for this specific plugin is really huge. So you can play around it, and maybe you can keep only the default one or simple ones. So it's up to you. I hope this quick video explained to you what exactly waiting for you when you install this plugin. Now, if you have any question, please just comment below in this video, and I will be happy to answer to you this question. Have a good day. Bye.